Right, children, so we shall continue, but we will not be able to continue with the same document that we used last day. But however, let's work with the features available in MS Word, right? So already we have discussed about the home ribbon, the font tab, again paragraph tab, right? Paragraph group actually, how you can use these commands to format your documents, right? Okay, so today we'll see how we can insert tables in MS Word, right? To insert a table in the home ribbon, here you can see the borders and apply borders. So those options are here. So then to insert anything, we have to go to insert ribbon. So today we can discuss more about this insert ribbon also. Children, last day we use shapes, right? Shapes, and we create some diagrams there. Again, so today we're gonna practice with tables, because pictures also we insert last day. Again, about shapes and pictures, there are more activities or more things that you can do. We're going to discuss them after discussing what you can insert in this using this insert ribbon. Okay. So everyone, if you have laptops, you can practice with me. Otherwise, I will make available this video to you. Then through that also you can learn later when we are allowed to come to the university. Okay. So children, to insert tables, you can click on table, and from this grid very easily you can select number of columns and rows that you want in your table. See, like this you can select. If you need more number of rows or columns than listed here, I mean that other than the grid, so this is a quick table grid, you can go to insert table. For example, if I need only 5 columns with 3 rows, then I can click here, then that will add a table like that. Again, everyone, if I need another table like insert table, 3 columns, here I have 5 rows. So then I can apply that. Again, if you need a table different, I mean, you have a larger number of rows than this, then again you can go to insert table. There you can select insert table. ඔයාලට මේ තියෙන එකට වඩා වැඩිපුර rows and columns ඕන වෙනවා නම් ඔයාලට පුළුවන් table එකේ insert table කියන එකට යන්න, table and go to insert table. Click on that. Then here you can mention number of columns and rows. So I need 3 columns and 10 rows, right? 3 columns, 10 rows. Okay. Then I have the table. Like the children, you can create any kind of a table using this insert table. What you must learn is after inserting the table, what you can do, how to format the table, customize the table. Then I'm going to remove these tables. So you can just click on this left corner icon and delete, select delete table. Then that will erase the table from your document. Right. While I'm showing you how to do that, you can practice or you can note them down, right? I'll give you time. Okay. Then I'm going to delete this table also. So click here, delete table, right? Okay, children, now we're going to discuss how we can customize the table. So here, children, I have 5 columns here. If assume that you want to delete this column, so however, you have to select a column first, right? Or you have to put the mouse point or the cursor in the relevant column. Then you can right click there. I'm going to delete the column, right? Right click. Then when you right click in newest version of Word, you can see a pop-up menu like this, or you can go to delete cells, select delete entire column, and OK. Right. See, again, I'll show you. Right click. If you this menu is there in your Word file, so in newest versions that is there, you can click that and delete column, or you can right click. Here we have delete cells. From that you have to select delete entire column. That will delete the column. Again, if you want to delete a row, similarly, you have to put the mouse pointer there, cursor there, right click, delete cells, delete entire row. Then that will delete the row. Again, you can click on that, delete rows. Right? You can use any of these ways to delete columns and rows from a table. Similarly, you can insert as well, right? Insert. If you go right click, insert. See, these are the options available. Column to the left. One pathra column mak add කරන්න පුළුවන් column to the left. Insert column to the right. So if I click column to the right, then a new column is added. Right click, insert, row above, row below, right? I'm going to click row below, then another row is added. Similarly, children, if you want to add more rows into a table, right? If you want more rows into the table, you can press tab key here. You can press on the last cell, tab. Again, I'm pressing tab, see? By pressing tab continuously, you can add multiple rows into your table. Okay, with me you can practice, right? Okay, children, right. Then when you insert a table, then another ribbon will be there like table design. Table design. So through that you can select some styles if you want. There are styles available. You can apply those styles to your table. Different ones, right? Or you can go with your own style like select all, apply shadings. You can apply any color anywhere, shadings, right? Again, children, you can merge some cells, right? So like this, you can select cells, right click and select merge cells. You can combine two or more cells, right? Merge cells. See? Again, if I merge some cells from here, you can see it will become one cell then. Okay, I just merge cell. You can see now it has become one cell. Like cells keep merge cell. Again, you can further split cells as well. So here, what I'm going to do, okay, I'm going to split this cell into four. So right click, split cells. You can see number of columns or rows. So I'm going to split that into four. Okay, see now that is again divided into four cells. So these are four individual cells. So like that, children, you can split. I'm going to split it into four and four rows. Okay. So try different styles with me. Right. See. So like this, you can split and merge cells to create the table that you want to have in the document. Right. According to your requirement, you can create any type of a table there. Right. Okay, children. Then if you want to add some text, you can just click and apply text. Like that. And again, you can apply general formatting that you already know. Like that. Again, if you divide entire column, you can right click. So I'm going to insert a cell. Again, you can merge them. You can merge horizontally and vertically both. Okay, so like this, you can create tables, right? Okay, next we shall see how you can work with smart art, because last day we discussed about smart art, but we didn't use it. So then you can click on smart art and you can apply any of the smart art from here. So this is it. Then you can add text there, right? Okay, so like that you can just click and add text. So size of the text will be automatically changed according to your diagram. Right. Again, children, you can further add or remove elements from these smart arts. So what you can do, just always right click. You can go to add shape, shape below. See, try a shape with me, right? Right. Add shape below. Below means the front layer. Above means the previous layer. Okay, so like this you can add. If you want to add more here, right click, add shapes. So like you can do changes even. Right. See children, like that you can change any you can apply any type of a smart art and you can modify that further, right? So again, colors also same. If you want to add colors, then you can just click on a shape, just apply the color. Smart art design, format. So like this, you can apply colors even, right? Again, children, there are styles also there. So if you go to smart art design, there are some designs like this. You can give it 3D look even. So like that, there are so many formattings available. So just apply a smart art and try. Again, if you need any help, children, you can ask, right? Any question you have. Okay, then similar children, we can add word dart text boxes. See, these are called word dart children. Okay. Next one you're going to learn is inserting symbols to our page, right? Okay. So in insert ribbon, you can go to insert symbols. In some cases, we may have to apply some symbols to there, right? Okay. So if you go to symbol, there are a lot of symbols available. So according to different fonts available, children, there are different s- symbols there. So basically, you can select these three font styles. These three wingdings are 2, 3. So there are different icons or symbols are available in that. See, if you scroll down, you can see. It also act like a letter, children. So then you can add a symbol. Then if you are using some other fonts in other languages, then also you have to insert symbols. So for example, if you use Sinhala or Tamil, in my computer I don't have Tamil fonts, but if you have Tamil fonts there or Sinhala fonts, you can select them. See, using these symbols also you can apply some letters which are not available to type, right? Again, these copyright icons, if you want to apply a copyright icon, then much like this, you can apply any symbol. So try everyone. Go to insert ribbon, symbols, go to more symbols, and from there you can select the relevant font. So these are three fonts which are available with icons, right? Different icons. Okay, right. So practice that. right? Then the other one is children mathematical equations. In some cases, if you want to apply a mathematical equation, then you can go to insert and then click equations. From there, you can see some predefined equations are there, right? If not, you can click on insert new equation. Click insert new equation. Then children, another ribbon will be there, open there, right? Available in the ribbon space. So another ribbon. So using this ribbon, you can apply or create any type of symbol, because in Word there is no other way to apply mathematical equation, like even 1/2 like that. So if you want to mention something like that, so that is also possible here. So how we can do it is, see, these are the available formats. So you can click on one, type here the number, right? Like this. Again, I'm going to insert equations. Again, insert equation, can apply more. So like this, you can apply any equation. So plus something else. Okay, insert equation, right? Okay, children, now we're going to learn something important. That is how we can apply page numbers and headers and footers to a document. Okay, right. Everyone, I think everything is clear up to now. Now I'm going to insert a new page. And I'm going to generate some text. So you can take a new page. So you can generate text using equal sign rand. I need 20 paragraphs with 8 sentences in each. A large document, right? Okay. Now I have a page with document with 5 pages. Then I'm going to justify the content. Right. So these things we discussed last day. Okay. I'll show you again how I generate the sample text. So what you have to do is type this type of a command. So rand is to randomly generate some text. Rand 20 means number of paragraphs and 8 is number of sentences in the paragraph, right? So those who are practicing, you can just type equal sign rand 20, then the number of sentences. So I'm going to generate it. Right, children, this is my document now. Okay, so this part is really important. So if you very very clearly understand, and if you need any help, children, I'll give you more time and help. So please ask. If you need more time, also please ask again. If you learn a new thing, please note that down. Right? Okay. So now I want to have a page above this one. Right? We discussed last day. If you need a page above a page, then you have to click on the starting point of the page. So I just click here. Then insert blank page. See, that gives me a blank page top of this one. So I'm going to type, so this is my document cover page. So children, this part is really important because you always have to prepare documents, right? So in that case, you have to develop different headers and footers there. So that is what I'm going to tell you in the same document how we can use different styles, right? Okay. Again, you can insert image if you need. Okay, so I'm going to insert image as well. So just click on the image, pictures, go to insert pictures, this device, and you can select the image. Then you know how to handle with images. So when you got the image, you have to change its wrap option. So I'm going to change that to this one, top and bottom. Okay, children, now this is my cover page, my document. So using this right bottom right corner, you have the scale, right? Using the scaler, you can see you can scale down and up the document and see all the pages, or you can enlarge the page as well, like this. Right. Okay, children, now I need another document after this one. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to click on the bottom of the page. Again, go to insert, blank page. That will give me another blank page here. Then again, I'm going to generate some text here, and I just generate two paragraphs with 5 sentences. Okay, I'll give you time. You can prepare to, you can improve your document as this. You must have a cover page and another page. So these are main documents, right? So I'll type the topic report. Okay, you can see this is my document now. All right, you can prepare the document and please reply in chat when you are ready. Then I'll continue because this part is really important, children. You have to learn so how we can apply page numbers and footers, headers, those. And again, the important part is you should be able to add different styles of page numbers and headers in the same document, right? So that for that we use sections. So I'm going to teach you how we can use sections. This is really important when you prepare document because your entire 3 years or 4 years, you have to prepare these type of documents, right? Then it's really important. So very quickly, we can generate the document. I just use a run command to generate text, and I just insert image, and you don't have to insert the same image because that is not there in the web. I just, this is the image that I have created, right? Okay, so prepare a document in this way. I'll give you 2-3 minutes then. Again, children, please, when you're ready, let me know that in chat, right? Otherwise, I don't know if you have completed or not. Yes. Okay, we shall continue then. I think you are all ready. Right. So children, I shall have another page here. So then I'm going to click at the bottom of the page, go to insert, blank page. Here also I'm going to apply something like some topic. Again, you're now going to add a table of content as well. So then you can see, again, there's a different way that you can apply a table of content, children, but I'll show you that in the next session. For now, I'm going to just use a table or something for the table of content. Then I'll show you how we can apply that as well. So again, I'm going to have a new page, insert, blank page. I'm going to name it as table of content. Again, children, this is not the way to develop a table of content, right? There is another way of doing that. But I'm just showing you what I want to have is just a number of pages here. That's why I'm doing this. So අපි මෙහෙම නේ page content එක හදන්න ළමයි. ඒකට වෙනම ක්‍රමයක් තියෙනවා. I'll show you that in the next session. Up to now, we're going to create a table here. So I just type right. Children, I just type. So this part is really important to you. How you can amend tables, right? Okay, I just include some topics. You can apply new topics. So you can just create some content there, right? Okay. Again, I'm telling you that this is not the way of creating a table of content. I just need to create a table and show you how to manage a table data according to your requirements. So that is why I'm doing this one. So then through that, you can learn how to work with tables, right? Okay. Then children, assume that I have some subtopics here. So I'm going to add a insert row below. See, I just add a row below. And I'm going to divide that. Split cells. We'll discuss this. You can continue with me. ඔයාලත් මේත් එක්ක කරා යන්න පුළුවන්. එතකොට try කරලා බලන්න. I just split this to two columns, right? Again, now everyone pay attention here. I want to change this line, right? So what I'm going to do, first you have to select, right? So when the arrow pointer is changed into this arrow, see, when you click that, it will select a cell. If I want to select this cell, when I move my mouse pointer next to the left border, then it will change to a small arrow like this. Then if you click, it will select the cell. Then children, you can move to the relevant border and double click there to select it and change. Okay, I need another one. So then insert row below. Then see, it will add a similar row. That's the important thing. If you need one more, then similarly, you can add more rows here. You can split them, split, and select the cell. and then change. Okay. So children, that is how you can use this split cell and arrange in the borders of the table, right? Then this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to move this border here. Again, children, I'm going to divide or insert another column there. So I can go to right click here, insert column to right. And then I'm going to change the column like this. To fill the table, I'm going to add a dot line. And I'm going to copy that to the bottom cells here. See, I just create some dot lines and I copy them down. Then you can add page numbers, right? See. Okay. I just add sample numbers there. Then children, the important thing is you can remove a border, right? So what I'm going to do now, click here, borders. I'm going to say no borders. See, now my page looks like this. So everyone, now what I'm going to teach you is as a structure of the design, as a wireframe, you can use a table. And inside the table, you can apply data. And after that, you can remove the table borders. Then it will very nicely organize as a content, right? Now everything is very clear. I'll show you again. Earlier, this is how it looks like. Even from here, if you want, you can add some. This, right? But that's not good actually. So there will be a gap here then. Again, if you need further, if you need to change the table like this. So what you can do, children, you can just select here. Yeah, now you know how to select a column, right? Sorry, cell. Just select the cell and drag it here. First, you have to select it and drag it. Now see if I remove the table borders, then See, this is how it looks like, right? But so again, I'm telling you that this is not the way of creating a content of table of content. There is another method. I'm just showing you how you can work with tables, right? Okay, everyone, try to develop this kind of a content, very structuredly organized content using tables. So you can apply this method to anywhere, right? Anywhere that you want very structured content design, then you can apply a table. Fill the data in the table, then you can at the end you can remove the borders. Then it really looks like very clean and neat design of content. Okay, try it by yourself then. Okay, children, then we'll try now. Okay, so in my document, I have these type of pages. See, this is my document, children. Now, these are content. These are actually from starting from this fourth page. I have the content. Fifth page, right? I have the content. Okay. So now I want to apply page numbers and headers and footers, right? Now I'll simply show you how we can apply headers and footers there. So starting from the first page, children, you can go to insert header, footer, page numbers, right? So we're going to learn these three. I'm going to add a header. So just click here. See, there are different header styles available. You can go with any header style, right? Again, you can develop your own header as well, right? To that, what you have to do is just double click in this area, then that you will be moved to the header section. From there, you can insert, like if you click on other, you can see other content is now blur, right? So it's in blur color, dim color, right? So again, if you click this area, again that will become the normal. Okay, so then you can double click here, then I'm in the header area. At the bottom, you can see footer area, right? So then you can go to the home page or insert page and apply images, pictures, shapes, anything into your header area. So I'm going to apply some shape. Okay, I just apply some shapes, right? So then you can change the color and you can do any amendment to change. It's okay. Any formatting there, right? Then if you want to add text, then you can just type some text. So now this is my header, children. So again, I came back to the normal text area. Then you can see the header is available in all the pages. See, that is why it is called an header. See the header section. So you can try it now. What you have to do is just go to header section. Again, let's add a footer as well, right? So go to the footer section. I'll just type something. You can center the content if you want. See, now that is available in all the pages. That is called footer. So applying header and footer is really simple, children. What you have to do is just double click here in this area. If you want to apply shapes, if you want to add text, if you want to add images, anything can be possible, right? What you have to do is just double click here, go to header section and go to home, insert, and you can add anything there or do any formatting there, right? Everyone can try now. Right, children. Then this is the important part here. So assume that you want to have different type of headers and footers in different sections. For example, in the title page, normally we don't use headers and footers, right? So then I want to remove this header and footer from the title page. Okay. So if I remove this, I'm going to remove them all. Again, I'm going to remove this as well. See now the header is removed from all the pages. See. Okay, but I wanted to remove that only from the title page. Again, children, I want to have a different header in this area. These are inner pages. Right. After table of content, I want to have another different header and footer. Right. So then in the same document, everyone, I need different styles of headers and footers numbering as well. Right. So I'll remove this one also. Okay, I'll remove this as well. Then see all the footers also gone, right? Okay. Now, children, I think you can understand the requirement. So we need a different style in the header page. I mean, no header and footer in the header page, first page, and after that, in this area, these three pages, I need a different header and footer numbering style. For this also, from starting from here, I need a different one, right? In the same document. Then what you can do, children, is you can divide your document into sections. So very clearly see this one. Now this is called footer, header, and this is also header, footer like that. All the pages we have header and footer. Okay. So then I'm going to divide in this into sections. So what I'm going to do is click here at the bottom of this page because I want to divide my document into a section from the first page. Then go to layout. You all can go to layout. Children, if you want to practice, I'll share this document with you, right? If you don't have the document, I'll share this with you. Then you can start from there, right? Okay, let me share this with you. All right, children, I just shared the document with you in chat. So then you can open that document and work in the same document, right? So if you don't have the document, so then okay, run. So the document is shared with you. You can open that and see. Okay, so what we need to do is have a section here. So I just click on the bottom of the page. Unless it's a requirement, children. If you want to divide your document from to a section, you have to be in the upper document or the last page of the section, right? So I need to divide only section only from the first page. Then I am in the bottom of the first page, right? So then you have to go to layout, and breaks, there you have to select section break next page. Right? Because I want to create a section from the next page, right? Then I'll show you again. So I will need to divide one page or first page into one section. Then I just at the bottom of the page. You can double click there and come to the bottom of the page. Go to breaks. From there, to select next page. Right. I think the screen is visible now. All right. Click on the bottom page and go to layout, breaks, and click on next page. See now, a new page is added. Sorry, not a new page, children, actually. A break is added. Now see the difference, right? See the difference now? See, footer section 1, header section 2, footer section 2, section 2 like that. So now you can see earlier it was only header and footer. Now the first one is header section 1, footer section 1, header section 2, footer section 2. See, now the document is divided in two sections. Now children, I'm going to insert page numbers to this. Before that, we'll divide the other section as well, right? So again, I'm going to divide this document here also, right? So these, I need to have Roman numbers here and Hindu Arabic numbers from here. Then I need a section break from after the table of content, right? Then I'll click here at the bottom, then page layout, breaks, section break, next page. Now see, you can see footer section 2, header section 3, footer section 3. Now there are three sections in my single document. In the same document, I have three sections. Okay. Right. Now let's try to add the page numbers, right? I think you all are okay with the design page. Go to insert. Page number. I'm going to add page numbers to the bottom of the page in the center. So I just click that. See, what you have to do is go to insert, page number. You can decide top of the page, margin of the page, right? Anywhere you can apply page number. So I just select bottom of the page. And then you can select, I'm going to select the middle of the page, then click there. See 1, 2, 3. Now the numbers are continuously added. 4 like that. But children, I need a different numbering style from this page. Therefore, I'm going to change the numbering style for this. See, what I did was just add a page number. When I add the page number, that will appear in all the pages in the similar way. So after adding page numbers, you can change them. Right? So I want a page number from the second page. From this page, I want to apply Roman numbers here. Then I'm going to right click on the page number here. See, I just select the page number, right click on it. You can go to format page numbers window. Again, if you need to change the page numbers, just select the page number first, right click on it and go to format page numbers window. From there, you can select the style. I need this style, Roman numbers. Start from 1. Then I select start at 1. Then OK. See now, here I have 1. In this page also I have 1 in Roman numbers. Again 2, 3. Now this is again 4 in Arabic numbers, right? So what you have to do then? Select the number, right click on it, format page number. I need to start that again from 1. Then I'll select 1. See now again starting from 1, 2, 3 like that. But again I'll come from the beginning. This is my heading page. It has 1. Actually I don't need 1 here then. You can select page number and tick different first page. Then page number will remove from there. See, what I did was click on the page number. I gave different first page. See now, page number is not there. Here starting from Roman numbers 1, Roman numbers 2, Roman numbers 3. And again here starting with 1, Arabic numbers 1, 2, 3 like that. So in the same document, 3 styles of page numbers, right? So what I did is divide the document into sections. And after inserting page numbers, in each section first page, you have to edit the number. You can select the number, right click, format page number. From there, you can do the formatting. You can mention the starting point and the number format as well. Okay, everyone, just try it. If you need any help, please ask again, right?
times for 5 full rounds. You have a big belly. Do this move.
Right? Okay. So then further you can add date, right? You can add date and time. Again, can add the file name, document title. So those things in the header and footer as well. Right. Next one is when you prepare a document like this, if you want to add a watermark, that is also possible, children. So what you can do, just go to the page. To insert a watermark, you have to go to design. That is not available in the insert ribbon. So you have to go to design. Design. Here it is available watermark. Watermark. Then these are predefined watermarks, but if you want to add your own one, you can go to custom watermark. Right. Again, you have to go to design, watermark, go to custom watermark, and you can add a picture as the watermark, or you can add a text. So here you can see language, then text. Font color and everything can be changed. Then you can select apply. See now that watermark is added in every page. See. Right, children, another important thing. So in some cases, these type of documents, you may have to add a large table or a map or anything. But in some cases, you may not be able to apply that in portrait. Right, so what is portrait, children? In page layout, you can see portrait and landscape, right? So but now our document is in portrait option, portrait orientation. If we assume that you have a large table, one page is not enough for that large table. I mean, a portrait table size is not, page size is not enough for that. Then what you need, you have to insert a document, I mean, a table or any other image or something, a diagram or something, as a landscape page, right? Then also what you have to do, you can add a section break, right? So because I'm going to insert a new page here, insert blank page. Now I have a blank page. Children, you can't layout orientation. So you can't change a single page into a landscape. If you change this to landscapes, the entire document will change to landscape. See, our entire document is now converted to landscape. So then what you have to do is, again, you have to create a new section there, right? So I just click here, layout, breaks, next page. I just create a new section. Again, from here also I have to do the same, right? Because I want to isolate this page. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the bottom of the page. Actually, next, I'm going to click go to breaks again. Next page. Right. Now, numbers again you can see, right? Change. That's 2. Again, starting from 1. Again 1, right? Because I have created a new section there, then all the numbering also be changed. Then what you can do is, children, you can go to number. You know how to do it, right? Select it, right click there, format page number, continue from previous section. Now it's 3. Again, here we have to do the same. Right click, format page number, continue from previous section. Now it's 4. See, like that you have to use every uh, technique that you have learned throughout this session, right? Okay, now I want to add a table here, large table. Therefore, I want to have this one in landscape option. So then I'm going to click there, go to layout, orientation, landscape. See? See here now, all my documents are in portrait. Only this page is in landscape. Then if I have a table there, I can add the table, insert table in this page. I can add a large table there, right? Okay, see. Now my document looks like this. The same document, different styles, right? First page, no page numbers. Second page, starting from Roman numbers, 2, 3. Again, next page, the content page start by 1, 2. Again, I have a landscape style page, that is 3. The other page is 4. See? To do all the formatting, children, always you have to use sections. So here in my document, now I have 4 sections in the same document, right? Otherwise, what you have to do? You have to prepare different files from each. Again, page numbers will be different, right? So you are in big trouble when you're going to prepare a document. There are these kind of changes there in the document. ඩොකියුමන්ට් එක මෙහෙම එක එකම ඩොකියුමන්ට් වෙනස්කම් තියෙනකොට ඔයාලා අමාරු වෙනවා නැත්තම් එක එක ෆයිල්ස් හදලා සේව් කරන්න නැත්තම් print කරන්න ගියොත් එහෙම මේක එක ඩොකියුමන්ට් කම්පයිල් වෙන්නේ නැහැ මොකද page numbers එහෙම වෙනස් වෙනවා නේද? හැබැයි දැන් ඔයාලා දන්නවා එකම ඩොකියුමන්ට් එකේ ඔයාලට පුළුවන් ඕනම change එකක් කරගන්න. That can be header, footer, page number, layout or anything, orientation or anything. What you have to do, just create section breaks there. Okay. That is really important. So everyone try with your document, create a landscape page in the document so you can change the scale of the document, see how it looks like, right? See. Okay, everyone just try. Again, if you need help or any questions are there, you can ask, right? Okay, children, everything is good. Okay, so these are things that we're going to discuss today, everyone. Then we discuss about insert ribbon and design layout. Next week, we're going to discuss about the reference and mailing options available in Word. So then we can cover the entire Word section. And again, at the end, I'll give you a practice session as well. So now we have to use this review. Three ribbons are remaining, children: reference, mailing, and review. So next day, we'll discuss them. Right, everyone. Then thank you for your participation, and I wish that you all practice the same content that I did here. If not, find a laptop and try them, because in every 3 years you have to work with this Office package, right? With Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. Then it's really important that you learn every technique. Otherwise, you will be in trouble. එදවාලා නැත්තම් මේ දේවල් කරන්න ගියාම මාරු වෙටනවා. එක එක විදිහට වෙනස් විදිහට කරන්න ගියොත් ඒක වෙලා යනවා. ගොඩක්ම time consuming. So then it's really important you know the techniques. ඒ වගේම ඔයාලා එළියට ගිහිල්ලා වැඩක් කරනකොට හරියට ඔයාලා මේ ටික දන්නවා නම් ඔයාලා හරියටම highlight වෙනවා. මොකද ඔයාලා මේක ටික දන්නවා කියන එක, right? So then be familiar with Word, Excel package, Office package is really important in your career, in academic life as well. Then very clearly practice these things. තර මේ දේවල් හරියටම practice කරන්න. Okay. Right, children, then let's wind up from here. Thank you for participation. Have a nice evening all.